Today we will learn how to cook cranberries and all the amazing properties they have that can help you improve your health. You will have an excuse to use this native North American fruit outside Thanksgiving. How to cook cranberries. Candy fresh cranberries. An easy way to cook cranberries is to candy them. This is great to use in fruitcakes, like this one, to finish up the cooking. To do this, you can use simple syrup. Combine equal parts of water and sugar over a saucepan and boil it until all the sugar is dissolved. Let it cool and then coat all your fruit with it. Afterward, cover the cranberries with extra sugar and you are done. Make a cranberry sauce. You can easily cook a simple cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving. You do not need to buy one at the store. To do this, add half a cup of water and a quarter of sugar to a 12-ounce bag of cranberries. Place everything in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Leave it uncovered and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. It is that fast. Delicious cranberry jelly. It is very similar to a sauce, but thicker. In this case, you will need to mix 1 cup of water and half a cup of orange juice in a saucepan. Once it is boiling, add 1.5 cups of sugar and stir until it is dissolved. Add 4 cups of washed cranberries to the orange sugar water and leave it be. You can take it out once you see the skin begin to crack if you prefer a thinner mix. If you like your jelly to be thicker, then you should leave it for longer. Check the consistency and take it out when you reach what you like best. Afterward, place it in a jar. If you plan to keep them for a long time or gift them, consider sterilizing them and vacuum sealing them. Why cook cranberries? Take a look at their health properties. According to Medical News Today, research links cranberries to a lower risk of developing urinary tract infections. Another health benefit associated with cranberries is slowing the progression of certain cancers. They also help boost your immune system, as well as to decrease blood pressure. Cranberries are a great source of vitamin C, antioxidants. Apart from helping your immune system, help your body fight off free radicals. This leads to younger-looking skin. They also contain a range of B vitamins. This type of vitamin is not produced naturally by the body and needs to be ingested. Cranberries are a great way to incorporate them into your diet. Of course, as all fruits are, cranberries are packed with fiber. A diet that is high in fiber is great not only for digestion, but for your overall health. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.